Okay, so as you have noticed, I'm already cleaning up, and I decided to do this because not really that soon, but in September I'm going to college, and I thought it would be a good time to just get some change and get rid of some clothes. Telling you later to in the video that I'm getting rid of the clothes because I'm going to college in September. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. So this is one pound. I really thought this was gonna be like 10 things, but I think it's 15. These are a bit less. So since I'm going to college, I wanted to get rid of some stuff that I know I'm not gonna wear when I'm going and that I'm never gonna wear. So yeah, I'm gonna see what my mom thinks and might not get everything to be going somewhere. So yeah.